Do you ever look at your life and ask yourself, what am I even doing? You scroll through your phone. One friend just landed a high-paying job. Another is getting married. Someone else is posting from a beach in Bali while you're stuck in your room, wondering if you're falling behind in life. Everyone seems to be moving forward. Meanwhile, you're stuck, unsure, uncertain, and quietly panicking. But what if I told you that feeling lost in your 20s is not a mistake? What if it's exactly where you're supposed to be? We were told that our 20s are supposed to be the prime of our lives. A time to chase dreams, fall in love, build careers, travel the world, and figure everything out. But for most of us, the 20s feel more like a storm, confusion, pressure, comparison, silence from the people we thought would guide us. Some of your friends are buying condos. Others are still living with their parents. Some have dream jobs. Others can't even land an interview. And you're somewhere in the middle, questioning your purpose every single night. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just figuring things out. And guess what? That's okay. Here's a story. At 25, J.K. Rowling was broke, depressed, and a single mom. She wrote the first Harry Potter book in cafes during her daughter's naps. She had no money, no fame, no clear future. But she had an idea, and she followed it, even in the dark. Or take Steve Jobs, fired from his own company in his early 30s. But it was during that lost period that he said he found creativity again. Later, he would return and make Apple what it is today. Being lost is not a dead end. It's a necessary detour. Finding direction. So what do you do when you're lost? Step 1. Give yourself permission to not have it all figured out. The truth is, no one really does. Everyone is winging it to some degree. Even the ones who seem like they have it all together are just better at hiding their doubts. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. But to create it, you have to start even when you're not sure where you're going. Step 2. Try things. You won't find clarity by overthinking on your bed at 2 a.m. You find it by doing, by taking small risks, by starting a project, by saying yes to that part-time job, internship, workshop, or random opportunity. Let me tell you about Mia. At 23, she had no idea what to do with her life. She worked at a bakery just to pay bills. One day, she started recording videos of cake decorating on her phone for fun. No one watched at first, but she kept going. Fast forward 2 years. She runs her own cake studio and has over 500,000 followers on Instagram. Was it the plan? No. But she gave herself permission to explore. And that changed her life. Your 20s are not a straight path. They're a jungle. No trail, no guidebook. Just instinct, effort, and trust. And the irony? The more lost you feel, the closer you are to finding yourself. Because people who feel lost are usually the ones brave enough to ask big questions. What kind of life do I want to live? What do I truly care about? Who am I when no one is watching? Most people never stop to ask those. You are. That's not weakness. That's awareness. Step 3. Cut the comparison. You are not behind. You are on a different track. There is no timeline, no rule book, no universal clock you have to follow. You might succeed early. You might succeed later. But you will succeed if you stay consistent and curious. Don't measure yourself using someone else's ruler. Being lost in your 20s doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're in the process of discovering. It's messy. It's uncomfortable. It's emotional. But it's also powerful. Because it's during this time you discover resilience. You start asking yourself, what matters to me? Not just what looks good to others? You start learning how to get up after failing. How to motivate yourself when no one else believes in you. How to trust your own voice when the world gets loud. That's not a setback. That's growth. Not all those who wander are lost. Från J.R.R. Tolkien. But even those who are lost can still find their way. So if you're in your 20s and you feel lost, I want you to know you're exactly where you need to be. You are becoming... No one talks about the awkward silent seasons in between. The nights when you question everything. The days where nothing seems to be moving. But these are the moments that build you. These are the roots that no one sees. The ones that hold up the tree before it grows. So please, don't rush it. Don't fake it. Don't give up on yourself just because you're not there yet. Your 20s are not about getting it perfect. They're about becoming the person who will handle the life they deserve. One day, you'll look back on this exact moment. The doubt, the confusion, the loneliness, and you'll be proud because you didn't let being lost stop you. You kept going. You kept building. You kept believing. And that's what made all the difference. So take a breath, take a step, and trust the process. If this video made you feel seen, give it a like, drop a comment, or share it with someone else who feels lost right now. And if you're on this journey too, hit subscribe. There's more to come. You're not alone in this. This is Ruspela. Become more, one step at a time.